Okay, so welcome to today's market review and expectation. So November has ended and we are entering into the month of December. And so as usual, I take a look at what I was expecting the previous week's trade and then what happened, and I also talk about what I'll be expecting in the coming week. So let's head straight into the charts. Let me launch the trading view. So in the previous week, I was actually expecting the dollar index to reach into the midpoint of this fair value gap right here. I was expecting price to reach into the midpoints. Then we can get a reaction for either consolidation or retracement. Okay, but we actually had our retracement right at the lower section of the fair value gap. We had our retracement at the lower section of the fair value gap, and price went against what I was expecting, which is fine, so I was expecting we reach onto this line right here, which is the midpoint of that weekly fair value gap that I had drawn with these two lines. Okay. Alright, so what am I expecting in the coming week? And in the coming week, I'm actually expecting price to drop a little lower. Okay, even if you're going to have a little retracement, I'm expecting price to probably have some reaction on this particular bearish candle. Okay, right on this particular bearish candle, we can have some reaction right there, and then we can move much higher. But in the month of December, is usually the dollar has bearish. The dollar has been bearish. Okay, so should this level fail, I'm then looking at this particular section. Okay, this fair value gap right here is what I'm looking at. Should this one fail, but as it stands, my next target down here is we reach into this particular fair value gap. Okay, so we reach into that fair value gap, which is right here. Then we can have our relative retracement up, then we can drop lower. You can see a gap right here, okay, on the close of this particular candle, and then the opening of this particular candle. So price can drop right into this fair value gap, then we'll fill this gap, and then we can drop lower into this section. That's what I'm looking at in the coming week. Okay, so as I said, we don't call the turning point of the market. We only trade in the direction of the market and anticipate some reactions at some key levels. Alright, so let's take a look at what fundamentals we have to look out for. Okay, so on Monday, we are actually looking at the ISM manufacturing PMI for high impact news at 3 p.m. in the afternoon, affecting the dollar. And then we have FOMC Member speak at 8:15 p.m. And on Tuesday, we have the job openings at 3 p.m. also affecting the dollar. And then Bank of England Government Bailey speaks at 9 a.m. affecting the pound. And then at 1 p.m. we have our non-farm employment changes, and then affecting the dollar. Okay, and then we have our ISM service PMI also at 3 p.m. affecting the dollar, and Fed Chair Powell speaks at 6 p.m. Okay, so on Wednesday there's going to be a lot of volatility, and also on Friday. So we'll take a look at it. We'll take note of those particular days, and then on Thursday at 1:30 we have the unemployment claims affecting the USD, and on Friday we have the non-farm NFP, right? Also to to impact the markets around 1:30 p.m., which is affecting the dollar as usual, which happens every month, beginning of the first week of every month. So you can take advantage of from Monday to probably Thursday, then Friday you can just watch what the market does. Okay. Yeah, so as I said, during December, okay, we expect the dollar index to drop, and let's see if this initial drop is going to be the catalyst for lower prices for the dollar index. All right, so let's see what the market has to offer, and then let us stay safe. Thank you.